Development for Education Honours Odisha B.D students. Introduction. Teacher development is a lifelong process that involves continuous learning, growth, and adaptation to new challenges in the educational field. As teachers progress in their careers, they move through various stages of professional development. These stages, survival, integration, renewal, and maturity, represent different phases in a teacher's journey, each defined by unique challenges, skills, and opportunities for growth. Understanding these stages helps educators recognize where they are in their careers and what support they might need to move forward. Teacher development is not only important for the teacher's personal growth but also has a significant impact on student learning and the overall educational environment. The professional growth of teachers enhances their ability to create effective, inclusive, and engaging learning experiences for their students. Therefore, recognizing the stages of teacher development is essential for fostering a culture of continuous improvement in education. 1. Survival stage, early career. Duration, first 1 to 3 years of teaching. Description. The survival stage is characterized by teachers' initial efforts to adjust to the demands of the teaching profession. Teachers are overwhelmed by the complexities of classroom management, lesson planning, grading, and dealing with the diverse needs of students. During this stage, the teacher's focus is primarily on surviving the challenges of their new role and learning the basics of teaching. This stage is marked by a steep learning curve as teachers struggle to balance teaching responsibilities with their personal lives. They may experience feelings of stress, self-doubt, and anxiety as they try to meet the expectations of both students and administrators. Most teachers are still developing their teaching style, and they often rely on established lesson plans or the guidance of more experienced colleagues to navigate their classrooms. Challenges. Classroom management. Teachers often struggle with maintaining discipline and managing diverse student behaviors. Time management. Teachers have to juggle lesson planning, grading, attending meetings, and personal responsibilities. Building confidence. Teachers in this stage may feel insecure and question their abilities. Student diversity. Handling a classroom with varying academic levels and personal challenges can be overwhelming. Emotional toll. The emotional energy required in the classroom often leaves teachers exhausted. Focus. Gaining basic competence in delivering lessons and managing the classroom. Focusing on short-term survival rather than long-term professional development. Building self-confidence and coping with the overwhelming nature of the job. Goal. To become comfortable with the basics of teaching, manage classroom dynamics effectively, and adapt to the school environment. Though consolidation stage, developing expertise. Duration, 3 से 5 years. Description. In the integration stage, teachers start to find their footing. They have gained some experience and are now able to integrate new teaching strategies and techniques into their classrooms. They move beyond basic survival and begin to refine their skills. Teachers begin to develop their teaching style, learning how to connect with students on a deeper level, manage their classrooms more effectively, and design more engaging and creative lessons. At this stage, teachers often seek professional development opportunities, attend workshops, and collaborate with peers to improve their practice. They begin reflecting on their teaching methods, identifying areas of strength, and addressing areas that need improvement. Teachers also start to develop a deeper understanding of student needs, including differentiating instruction to meet diverse learning styles. Challenges: adapting to diverse students, teachers become more aware of different learning needs and try to cater to them. Personalizing teaching methods, developing a unique teaching style that resonates with students. Time management, balancing professional development with teaching duties. Classroom innovation, incorporating new tools and teaching methods while managing the workload. Focus, refining teaching techniques and methods. Integrating innovative tools and strategies in the classroom, such as technology, collaborative learning, and differentiated instruction. Building relationships with students and peers, and collaborating with colleagues. Goal: to build expertise in lesson planning and student engagement while integrating innovative teaching practices and a more personalized approach to teaching. Teen renewal stage, mid-career growth. Duration 5 से 10 years. Description: by the time teachers reach the renewal stage, they have gained significant experience but may begin to feel burnout or stagnation. Teaching can become routine, and teachers may struggle with maintaining motivation and enthusiasm for their work. The renewal stage is critical because it marks a period of reflection and rejuvenation, where teachers take a step back to assess their career and seek ways to refresh their teaching practices. Teachers in this stage may explore opportunities for professional development, return to school for higher degrees, or adopt new teaching methodologies to reignite their passion. Many teachers will also seek mentorship or coaching to overcome feelings of burnout and rejuvenate their teaching spirit. Some may even switch to teaching new subjects or age groups to experience different aspects of education. Challenges: burnout and fatigue. Teachers may experience emotional exhaustion and lose their sense of purpose. Stagnation in teaching methods. Teachers may feel like they are using the same methods repeatedly without seeing significant improvements in student engagement. Balancing work and personal life, juggling teaching duties, family life, and personal development. Focus: renewing enthusiasm for teaching through new strategies or a shift in perspective. Engaging in professional development or pursuing further education. Reflecting on past experiences and reconnecting with the core reasons for becoming a teacher. Goal: to renew motivation and creativity by embracing new challenges and strategies, preventing burnout, and reigniting a passion for teaching. 4. Maturity stage, experienced teacher leadership. Duration 10+ years. Description: the maturity stage is the pinnacle of a teacher's career, where they become experts in their subject matter and pedagogy. At this stage, teachers have a deep understanding of classroom dynamics and students' needs. They possess a high level of skill in lesson planning, teaching, and assessment, and they are often seen as leaders and mentors within their schools. Teachers in this stage may take on additional responsibilities such as mentoring new teachers, leading professional development workshops, or contributing to school or district level initiatives. They often act as role models for other educators and are deeply involved in shaping the educational environment. They continue to evolve by keeping up with current research and trends in education but are more likely to focus on leadership and mentoring than on their own development. Challenges: maintaining passion and innovation after many years in the classroom. Balancing leadership and teaching responsibilities. adapting to new educational policies or technologies. Focus, sharing expertise and mentoring colleagues, contributing to educational leadership and policymaking, reflecting on the impact of their teaching career and legacy. Goal, to lead and inspire others while maintaining personal teaching excellence and contributing to the larger educational community. Conclusion, the stages of teacher development, survival, integration, renewal, and maturity reflect the ongoing journey of a teacher's professional growth. From the early years of surviving the challenges of teaching to achieving maturity and becoming a leader in education, each stage presents unique opportunities for personal and professional development. Recognizing these stages allows teachers to identify where they are in their career and seek the appropriate support and resources to continue growing. Furthermore, understanding the stages helps administrators and policymakers create targeted professional development programs that cater to the specific needs of teachers at each stage. Ultimately, a well supported teacher, regardless of their career stage, can make a lasting impact on students and the broader educational community.